want to do is to motivate people to get better, easy, fast and fun way. And what we do is we innovate the way rehabilitation is delivered. We gamify it. We offer a software platform for rehabilitation that is for therapists to manage their patients easier, and also to offer them a personalized treatment that is also fun and engaging and interactive. That actually consists of video games, exercises transformed into video games actually. What I would say to the other startups is if they have an idea in which they believe, to keep going further with it, because they will certainly get to people that believe in the same thing that they do, and where they meet those people, everything will just come and every step will make in front of them, and they'll be able to grow really, really good. We started as 4 members, 4 co-founders. We started as students, actually just after graduating university. What made us go forward is that we believed in this project. Yes, we started this as a competition, a project for a competition, for an IT competition, but we felt this is something that the world needs. So it's not just a game, like we were having fun doing a project. We felt we need to move forward with it, and we really believed in it. So I believe that's how we got through it.